Arrive in style with this Cadillac 2018 XT5 Luxury FWD. If you are looking for a first-class ride, you have found it. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are driver awareness package, 8 speakers, AM/FM radio, SiriusXM, Bose Studio surround sound with 14 speakers, radio data system, radio, Cadillac user experience, radio, Cadillac user experience with embedded nav, SiriusXM satellite radio and air conditioning. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.